Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Nestled along the St. Lawrence River and near Lake St. Louis, Beauharnois, Quebec offers a mix of natural beauty and significant history. This town was officially established in 1729, and over time, it has grown with a fascinating blend of industrial progress and scenic charm. The Beauharnois Canal, built in the 1840s to support shipping on the St. Lawrence Seaway, still runs through the area, linking Lake St. Louis and Lake St. Francois. This canal makes Beauharnois a strategic spot for boating, attracting both local and international waterway enthusiasts. One of Beauharnois' most famous landmarks is the Beauharnois Power Plant, a massive hydroelectric facility and one of the largest of its kind in Canada. Built from 1929 to 1932, this plant produces electricity for Quebec, marking the town as a critical player in Canada's early hydroelectric developments. Beyond industry, Beauharnois offers wonderful outdoor activities. Nature lovers can explore St. Timothy Island's Regional Park, a riverside park where you can enjoy swimming, picnics, and hiking trails. Whether you're here for the scenic river views, a bit of industrial history, or to simply relax by the water, Beauharnois is a delightful spot with a story to tell and plenty to explore.
Bye.